Hello, flute players, and thank you for practicing. I sincerely hope that you find this video helpful. I'm going to start with just some notes that might be a little bit confusing, and then we'll take the song piece by piece. So the first note is an E natural. You might see the letter E. It might have a natural sign. It might have the word natural. E natural is thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, pinky. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, pinky. So for example, in the song, you have F, E natural, F. You just have to move that middle finger. F, E natural, F. Do that a couple times, please. The next spot that might trip us a little bit comes with, there's some really high notes in the last line. A flat, B flat, C. Those are the same fingers, they're just fast air. The A flat, here's a silly trick. The flat sign kind of looks like this teardrop key. So make sure with the A flat, you've got this A flat. So A flat, B flat, C. And I point that out because you have two different types of A's. You've got A, just plain A. Like A natural is A. It's a plain old A. That's different than A with the flat sign. So you will need both kinds. So play me A natural, please. Thumb, 1, 2, pinky. This one's like your recorder A. Follow that by your A flat, please. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, teardrop, pinky. And then I want you to flip-flop, like A flat, A flat, like 5 times. Go. And on and on and on and on and on. So make sure that you're good with A naturals, A flats, high notes, as well as the E natural. The last thing before we start is B flat, A flat. Go super duper slow. Here we go. Again, go. So that's got both kinds of A's in it. Once you have those starter pieces, maybe the next time you start this video, skip ahead till the picture looks like this. We're going to do chunk number 1. We're going to start where it says here, and we're going to stop at the stop. You can just listen or play along. Ready, go. Do it again. The next chunk is the start of the song. On you eagles, on to victory. Just listen or play along. Let's do it this part once. Ready, go. Feel free to do that again, or if you feel confident, move on. Maybe next time you start the video, you'll start it when the picture looks like this. Please note, this is your E natural. Remember when we did F, E natural, F, wiggle that middle finger? That's going to happen right here. We will ever cheer 13 goes. So that E natural only happens once. Otherwise, this one goes back to normal. The next chunk, on you eagles, fight on to your fame. Count to 2. 21, listen or play. Do that again, or if you're feeling confident, if you know that you got the right notes, then keep her moving. Notice that that is a flat sign. There is an A flat. By the way, we're going to skip that first ending. So do not play box 1. We're going to skip straight to the second ending. All right. 29, those are A flats. Got it. Here we go. When you're ready, when you know that you have the right notes, and please don't rush yourself. When you know you've got the right notes, maybe the next time you do the video, you're going to skip ahead to where the screen looks like this, and you're going to play the whole thing. This speed. Ready? Go. Box 5.